am a Filipino. I am a Filipino, inheritor of glorious past, hostage to the uncertain future. As such, I must prove equal to a twofold task, the task of meeting my responsibility to the past, and the task of performing my obligation to the future. I am a Filipino. I am born of freedom, and I shall not rest until freedom shall have been added unto my inheritance for myself and my children and my children's children forever. I am a Filipino, child of the marriage of the East and the West, the East with its languor and mysticism, its positivity and endurance was my mother. My sire was the wise that came thundering across the seas with the cross and sword and the machine. I am a Filipino, and this is my inheritance. What pledge shall I give that I may prove worthy of my inheritance? I shall give the pledge that come ringing down the corridors of the centuries, and it shall be compounded of the joyous cries of my Malayan forebears when first they saw the contours of this land bloom above the rising sun. I am the Filipino. I shall not be ashamed to shout this to the world.